to explain about the basic shading used in drawing. In short, we are going to learn about hatching, cross-hatching, stippling, blending, scumbling and scribbling. We are going to start shading using real scale value method. It is also known as value scale shading. Practicing the real value scale method helps improve your control over hand pressure, and that's super important in drawing. Without further delay, let's get started. First, draw a row of 5 boxes. Start shading from dark to light. Number 1. Hatching. Hatching is a technique that uses parallel lines in one direction to create tone. The spacing between the lines controls the lightness or darkness of the shading. Number 2. Cross hatching. Cross hatching builds on hatching by adding overlapping sets of parallel lines in different directions. The more intersections or layers you add, the darker and more detailed the area becomes. Number 3. Stippling. This technique involves placing numerous tiny dots close together. The density of the dots determines how dark or light area appears. This technique demands extreme control, patience and mindfulness. Number 4. Blending. Blending smooths the transition between light and dark areas, creating soft, seamless gradient. It is usually done with a blending stump, tissue or fingers, giving a polished and realistic look. Number 5. Scumbling. Scumbling creates texture using circular, scribbly strokes layered together. This textured shading effect is commonly used for natural surfaces. Last but not the least, number 6. Scribbling. Scribbling involves making irregular or random marks with the drawing tool, often in a circular or back and forth motion. It's a powerful technique for adding depth and emotion. Its loose, dynamic lines are great for quick sketches and styled artwork. So, finally, shading is an essential part of drawing that transforms simple outlines into realistic. Mastering different techniques gives artists a powerful tool to enhance their creativity and visual storytelling. Thank you for your attention and interest in learning this concept. Keep practicing with patience and enjoy the journey. Happy drawing! See you on next video. Until it's bye from NK's Art World.